it's Shivangi. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a tutorial of this look. This is a really luminous and glossy peachy golden look. And also there's a little hack which I've recently discovered. It's a base hack which I have included in the tutorial, so don't miss it. And also, as always, the links of all the products which I'll be using to create this look will be mentioned in the description box below. So definitely check it out. And that's it. Now without further ado, let's begin. Alright guys, so I have nicely clipped up my hair and now we're going to start off with a primer. As a primer today, I'll use Colorbar Luminous Rose Boosting Oil. I've actually been really liking this oil. I have a dry skin and this oil is not sticky or anything, plus it sits so well under makeup. For concealer, I'll use Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium. And now with my PAC 219 brush, I'll start blending it. Next for foundation, I'll use K-Beauty foundation in the shade 120Y Light. I really wanted to use this foundation in one of my tutorials, that's why I'm using it. And I'm actually going to do something crazy, and I know it might just sound bonkers, but after taking one pump of foundation, I'm going to grab my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, and I'm going to take a bit of this highlighter on my finger. It's a very soft highlighter. So yeah, I've taken a bit on my finger. And with this finger, I'm going to mix this highlighter in the foundation. This is not a DIY for stroke cream. I was actually testing this thing out, if it really works to give like a luminous dewy finish. And it does. But at the same time, this hack will only work if you're doing makeup for special occasions, because though the highlighter is really finely milled, but still there are going to be very tiny sparkles all over your face, which will not be that visible to the naked eye. But yeah, in daylight, if you're stepping out just casually, then they might be visible. Stroke cream is even more finely milled, so that's why you can just use it as it is on your skin. But if you were gonna try this out, then do it only for special occasions or weddings and stuff. That's when it's gonna look really nice. Alright, so I've blended the foundation with a little bit of highlighter and now I'm just going to apply it. Okay, time to blend this up. Alright, so I have blended the foundation and you can see how luminous it looks. Now it's time to set it up. I'll set it with Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light. First, with my concealer brush, I'm going to set the area around my eye. And then with a powder brush, I'm going to set the rest of my base. I have set my base and you can still notice a bit of nice luminosity in my base. This hack actually works really well. I've not tried it with any other highlighter. I've only tried it with Maybelline Master Chrome. Also because this is golden in color and golden highlighters suit Indian skin tones a lot. But try it out if you have this highlighter and see the kind of finish that it gives. And do let me know in the comment section below if it did work for you or not. Time to fill up my brows. I'll use Miss Claire Eyebrow Cake. I'll use a mix of this color and this color right here. Next, I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer and I'm going to quickly contour my cheekbones and my jawline. For eyeshadow today, I'll use Colourpop's Baby Got Peach palette. I'm first going to take this shade from the palette. I will apply that shade all over my crease. Next, I'm going to take this shade from the palette and I'm going to apply this shade on the outer corner of my eyelid. Next, I'm going to take this shade from the palette and I'm actually going to apply it on top of this shade which we applied on the outer corner because this is more of a peach toned color. I just wanted a darker base. This goes on top of the color we applied earlier. Now I'm going to take this shade from the palette. It's a shimmery shade, of course. And with an eyeshadow brush, I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. Actually, not all over my eyelid, just on the area which is empty. With Colourpop eyeshadows, no, you don't even need to wet your brush or anything, yeah. Like they're so soft and so nice that you can just apply any shimmery shade as it is. Okay, so this is where we are at this point of time. Now we are going to clean up this look. And firstly, I'm going to dig into this shade on the palette, the one which we applied on top of the dark shade. And I'm going to apply it again on the outer corner of my eyelid, blending it with the shimmery shade. Next, I'm going to take a bit of my highlighter, Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold, and I'm going to place it right on the center of my eyelid. A little bit, not too much. So this step does add a bit of dimension to your eyeshadow look and it looks really foiled and shiny. One last time, without picking any more color, I'm just going to run a tiny fluffy brush through the outer corner of my eyelid. And lastly, with a clean fluffy brush, I'm going to clean up my crease so that there are no hard edges. Next, for my lower lash line, I'm going to take this color first and I'm just applying it halfway through my lower lash line. For the rest of my lower lash line, I'm going to dig into the same shimmery shade which we applied on the eyelid and just place it on the rest of the area. the rest of the empty area. So I will definitely wear false lashes for this look, but I will, as always, apply one coat of mascara before I do that. I'm going to use Flower Beauty Warrior Princess Mascara. I'm going to quickly wear false lashes off camera and come back. Alright, the false lashes are on. I'll leave the details and the links in the description box below. Now moving on to blush and highlight. For blush, I'll use M.A.C Glow Play Blush in the shade Cheer Up. So these Glow Play blushes from M.A.C are luminous blushes. They do give a dewy finish. And for highlighter, I'm again going to use Maybelline Master Chrome, and this highlighter has actually been the hero of this entire look. As always, I'm first going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. And then of course, I'll highlight all the high points of my face. This highlighter is literally one of the prettiest highlighters ever. For my lips, I'll use Sugar's Matte Attack lipstick in the shade Depeach Mode. And I'm going to top it up with M.A.C Lipglass Clear Gloss. Lastly, to set my makeup, I'll use M.A.C Fix Plus Magic Radiance. And that's it, guys. This is the final look. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it, and also I definitely want your feedback on this highlighter thing. Okay, I have discovered this recently. It did work for me clearly. Like, my base is quite nice. Another reason why it's looking so glossy is this product right here, M.A.C Fix Plus Magic Radiance. Super glossy product and super nice. I've actually used everything which is quite luminous on its own today for today's makeup. So yeah, that's how we achieve this really juicy and glossy finish. But do try out this hack and let me know how it worked for you. And yeah, that's it. With that, we've come to an end of this video actually. Also, do leave in your suggestions for the kind of tutorials that you want to watch on this channel. I'll definitely go through your comments and pick out some ideas. And if you're not following me on Instagram already, then please follow me there as well. I do post some makeup related content on my Instagram handle too. And if you haven't subscribed to our channels already, then please subscribe to our channels. We have this channel where I post beauty content, and we have another channel where we post daily vlogs. I'm going to leave all the links in the pinned comment of the comment section below, so definitely check it out. And if you do like our content, then please subscribe. That's it from me for today. I'm gonna sign off now. You take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye-bye. Mwah.